morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 13th of July, Thursday, 7:30, and let's get started. We got 28 pairs to go through. USD as you can see, yesterday entry hit TP in one go. Bad day for US. Today we're reaching this level down here. So technically I shouldn't be selling, but seems like there's a very strong momentum, so I'm not really sure if this level is gonna hold. So we continue with our normal strategy. Now this candle is very strong, a strong candle. So we don't actually need to go and put the stop loss all the way back because that would give us a very large take profit. Potentially, I would say about 2/3 up would be a good location, and then a 1-to-1 risk reward. So we'll see how it goes today. So yeah, so this one was a winner. All right, USD CAD also hit take profit, but we won't enter a second position. Reason being, it's going into a strong zone and it's lost some of its momentum. So this candle is not really strong candle, and considering the location, there's quite likely for a bounce. So we leave this out. USD wow. USD and just there is no other zones next to it. We just continue selling. It's a strong candle. Yeah, this looks good. We don't really need to go all the way behind the candle. It's pretty strong in 2/3 up. It's good. And USD this was Team's method. Let's go down to 10 minutes. It should be okay. And have a look, see if it oh yeah, okay. This looks really good. So we after the break of this structure here, I got in here and it really quite well. If you take 2.2, yeah, if you take 2.2, it hits our TP, or at least near it anyway. So we can consider this potentially a win for Team's method. Now, in terms of second strategy, looks like we're gonna go get hedged soon. So we wait for a break, come back and close this buy, and then continue with the sell. Looks like it's going down. For my strategy, there is nothing there yet. We need a strong candles. UD New Zealand, looks like we hit TP on this one yesterday, but left a big wick. Let's see what happened down here. So yeah, that's exactly right. So right on our entry here, you can see the wick. It was the winner. So this entry is a win. You can close that one. I won't be entering a new one, mainly because there is not much momentum left. I think it's gonna pause. Even if it moves, there is no certainty which the possibilities are not that high. AUD CAD. Alright, so our second strategy is in winning position right now. We closed this sell previously because price broke out, came out, then looking for a retest. This is a strong candle. It's good for my strategy. I can enter here. It's a bit gone up, but let's just take that and maybe just here. It's a very large candle. I think halfway up should be adequate. Might come back for a week. So I'll leave this be. I think it's good entry. AUD USD, same here. Yesterday I closed break even. Not the day before it. Yeah. Today we have a show area for a bounce, but momentum is just so strong. I'm not really concerned with these tiny levels, and that's gone already. Shows that half an hour ago, but it is what it is. Alright, so this is a good entry here. I think we can safely ignore this one because price came here, bounced, made a lower high. Looks to be like it's gonna go all the way to here. Considering a strong momentum, it's most likely gonna break. Alright, ADJPY. Looks like right when we entered yesterday, it's paused. Might be looking to have some exhaustion. Question is what to do. My strategy says once it closes into the red, we get out, basically minimize risk. And I believe, yeah, that's because of this rejection as well. If we consider this current candle slightly into the red, next one, it's basically good location to close. So what I'm gonna do, gonna set a alert where it pushes down a little bit, and then I close this. So looks like this move has lost its moment. New Zealand CAD again, same thing as before, most likely already broken its level and will continue up. Simple enough. New Zealand CHF, nothing here. It's pausing at this level, most likely gonna bounce, or maybe it's gonna break 50-50, but we don't have a case here. Let's go down to 15 minutes, see if Teams method has a case. Clear downtrend. Need a break of a structure. I'm gonna put a alert here. If this structure is broken to the upside, then we can this trend is structure of this trend is broken, and we can go for a bounce. Now for the second strategy, testing, yeah, that there's no hesitation there. So we just simply buy at support and sell at resistance. We enter there, put a hedge underneath, and then we are complete. Second strategy. New Zealand USD, we got a TP yesterday, and today we continue in the same direction. See a strong momentum candle, obviously. Yeah, we don't need to go all the way below. That candle is huge. Third, I think it's a good stop loss placement just to make sure we don't get wicked out. New Zealand JPY, same here. We closed in the red, following the same principle. Put an alert and close it. It comes to my entry. Euro GBP. Okay, this is second time we lose. We went short on this red candle, but looks like things have changed. Do I go buy here or up? Delete that one. Should I clear what will happen here? I don't like the look of this, to be honest with you. Because if I get rid of this big, then I'll throw some small ones. Bounce down here, multiple time 1, 2, 3 times. And then up here we have a resistance area like that once, twice, and previously even more. So if I buy here, might bounce here again. So we leave Euro GBP out. Let's go to Euro CHF. Oh wow, okay. Not good. Yeah. So we took profit here. Now we added a buy, expected a bounce up to close both, but now we're hedged for both positions. So double size. Second strategy is hedge, double the hedge basically. In terms of momentum, yeah, this is a strong candle, and then we can safely go for a sell on this one. Yeah. Euro JPY, did we hit TP? No, actually we haven't hit. All right, so we just keep maintaining this unless it comes back into the red. Euro AUD, okay, Euro AUD, Teams method is one. Let's have a look. 15 minutes. Yeah, we entered break of this structure, and yep, we hit TP here. What have we gone higher? 1, 2, 3 as well. So we had an uptrend kind of thing, and then break of the structure, and then we just did a short. So that was Teams method. Now in terms of my method, I don't think we have an entry minus. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that up. Alright, in terms of today, we should be doing a sell, and I think I'm gonna delete this one. Not very relevant. The recent times we have this one down here, which might be right. Yeah, so we put in a enter a sell down behind 1-1 before the next zone. Hopefully cut this to push that. Euro USD, we had a winner yesterday. Yeah, we had a winner yesterday, and just continue to enter today in the same direction since we have a strong candle. So that will be there. Euro New Zealand. So we already hit TP for that one. It's all good. Now we could go for a sell, but I'm not really convinced. I don't see a strong candle here. We got the large wick, shows rejection, but not enough momentum for the bears. There's even a wick down here, so they failed to push close below the lows here. So yeah, we'll leave this up. Let's go down, see if Teams strategy has a entry up. Break off this structure. Nah, it's not very clean, and we're in a sell position by the way for the second strategy. Euro CAD, This one went against us the day before yesterday. Came back and I closed the break even and then continued in my direction. Yeah, but that's fine. I mean, it happens sometimes. Our aim is to reduce risk to win every trade. Winning is just a byproduct of risk management, basically. So based on this big green candle, we do have a momentum. There's no zone I can see. Should be pretty clear for it to through just below maybe these highs. It's good. The location is good. We have that as entry. Let's see what pound JPY. Obvious, very obvious. We go for a sell. Put the candle right behind. And 1 to 1 is pound AUD. Alright, pound AUD. What's happening here? So this one we entered after that in this, so this one was a winner, this one was a loser. This just went right against us. Remember, we're not trying to predict them, we're just trying to continue with the current momentum. If that momentum has a follow through, good. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We just manage the risk if possible. Now in this case it wasn't possible, so we hit full TP. Question is, do we sell here? Technically it's a strong candle, we should sell, but right now we're in this area of resistance, multiple bounces. It's not very wise. We leave this be. Any more pairs to go through? Pound USD, beautiful. All right. So currently still haven't reached the TP from yesterday. Yeah, so we just maintain that. Pound CAD, TP yesterday. There is no new entries. Reason being, these candles are losing momentum. They're tiny and a lot of wicks, and we're hitting this zone. Unless we break out of that, there is no new. Let's go down to 15 minutes. Wait, okay, second strategy, we can do a sell. It comes through here, we do a sell, and edge would be right up. Teams strategy, zoom out. No, there is no trend. I mean, yeah, need to see a clear trend into the zone. Sometimes it's just not there, depending on how they move. Yeah, because the daily has a lot of weeks that trend into the zone doesn't exist. It's just jumping in the load. Pound CHF and another winner, very quick. And we continue or another sell. The location is good, it's behind this level, so we'll maintain a location. New Zealand, the last pound New Zealand, and yeah, we continue this down. It's a strong candle, bearish candle. Location might be a bit higher. This might not actually reach this far. That's what I'm worried about. Just come this. Yeah, let's maintain this level. It's good. CAD CHF, okay, that winner is good. And just continue with the momentum. JPY, nice, very nice. A little bit higher. Day continues. I don't know how long it's gonna pull back. Usually after these long after these long pushes, there will be a pullback, exhaustion. Question is, truth is we don't know. Like, I mean, this move had pullbacks, but not very deep ones. Can be like a pause before it continues again. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm not trying to predict the market. CHF JPY. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna consider that a TP hit. Literally, like down to a pip. Yeah, I'm gonna close that there. There's no new entries. Looks like it's reacting to something here. Fine. All right. Last night I traded Nasdaq and US 30 as well. Just gonna show you guys what happened. So open here was pretty simple, to be honest. I love Tim's method on these two pairs. Trade these two indices. So we have basically last night US Open 7 o'clock. That's timeline is US time. Break off these highs and then we just bought. Could have been a lot more. Maybe we can adapt multiple level of profit. But the problem is during these times I'm not awake to watch it. It's better to have a fixed profit for me anyway. So we did a 1, 2, 3. We got that simply. Price broke up and we entered. Nothing complicated here. US 30, we had a similar thing, and also same thing is broke, but I set it. I set an alert right here, and by the time I got to my alert to have a look, it was already gone that far. It looks like it didn't maintain the moment, so we'll just close it here for today. Very small. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. This is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.